Father built a sukkah, a special facility, so we can celebrate certain holidays. And that facility had a glass roof that could be opened up so we could see the stars. That was for a certain holiday. And I still remember when he celebrated a holiday in fall, and we opened the glass roof to the sky because tradition required it. We found out Soot landing in the soup, chicken soup that was being served. I still remember vividly the pieces of ash landing in the chicken soup. And we used to put on warm clothes and to celebrate a holiday there. And then we went back to the warm home of one floor below.